PAG began the CHAM Community Health and Microcredit Program in the northern region of Comayagua in 1995. The goal of this program is to improve the access to health services in isolated communities who can be trained to own and manage their own community health care programs.
Community health program, which was wasn't very well thought out at the beginning, but we've developed it over the years and has become really a model of community health care throughout most of Honduras. We started this program using a philosophy of community-owned and run pharmacies. So we decided, especially for these mountainous areas that had very little access to any kind of health care at all, that we would begin a program of training village health workers. And these village health workers would be trained in the basics so they could probably resolve 70% of the health care needs in the communities with some special equipment and a lot of training, which we provided, but also a community pharmacy which would be able to supply them with the medicines that they needed to resolve about 70% of their health care needs.
Project Global Village presents Investing in the Future, CHAM Community Health and Microcredit Program.
Buenos días. Buenos días. Fíjese, Argelia, que venía por el pedido de los medicamentos del botiquín de aquí de Taulabé. De Taulabé. ¿De qué barrio es usted, me dijo? Del barrio La Ceibita.
The health program in Comayagua and Cortés County is implementing a community pharmacy component, which is run by a network of local health volunteers that have been trained by PAG to administer medicines for common illnesses found throughout the areas of intervention.
Estamos aquí en el botiquín del barrio La Ceibita, aquí en Taulabé, y atendemos más o menos la cantidad de 3.500 personas. Bueno, la verdad es que la responsabilidad que nosotros tenemos es bastante amplia, ¿verdad? Porque desde el momento en que nosotros dijimos sí a tomar con la responsabilidad del botiquín, es porque nosotros quizás nos sentimos capacitados para poder atender a una persona que llegue con dificultades de salud.
The Health Community Program in Comayagua has 170 community pharmacies, providing service in more than 499 communities, and providing 104,000 health treatments for common illnesses in 2017. With new government funding, PAG has 244 community pharmacies providing service in more than 826 communities, 1,950,000 estimated population. Staff of the Community Health Program of Project Global Village is installing the sign in the community of Aguas del Padre, a new community pharmacy, benefiting an approximate population of 2,000 people.
Bueno, ahorita estamos en la inauguración de lo que es la farmacia comunitaria, de lo que es la aldea de Aguas del Padre, perteneciente al municipio de Ciguatepec. Bueno, con esto vamos por instalado el 238 farmacia comunitaria en lo que es el departamento de Comayagua.
Due to the lack of access to health services, Project Global Village formed local volunteer health teams that are responsible for maintaining the community's health through the community pharmacy strategy.
Bueno, aquí estamos en el sésamo de aquí de Taulabé, que Aldea Global ha puesto el almacén más cercano para la comunidad de Taulabé. Los han capacitado bastante, ¿verdad? Para recibir un botiquín, una semana de capacitación, una semana enterita, ¿verdad? Que es bastante. Entonces ya estamos bien capacitados para dar un diagnóstico para una enfermedad. El impacto es que la medicina es más cómoda, es más barata que la farmacia. Entonces por eso tenemos los botiquines y la gente los aprecia porque es un costo menos de la farmacia.
This local health strategy substitutes the role of a small basic clinic, training local volunteers in preventative health using PAG's own medical health manual. Another health component is the AIN-C. The 320 community health volunteers provided weight monitoring for 6,450 babies under 2 years of age. Technical and volunteer health personnel trained 2,500 mothers in the preparation of nutritious foods for children under 2 years of age.
Bueno, esto lo hacemos como nosotros somos monitoras, ¿verdad? De AIN-C. Entonces nosotros hacemos lo que son las prácticas alimenticias para los niños. Por ejemplo, hacemos una práctica cada 15 días. Porque como los niños a veces ellos no alcanzan el peso, entonces esas madres las invitamos nosotros para hacer la práctica juntamente con ellas.
In the community of El Cerrón, belonging to the municipality of Taulabé, Comayagua, the monthly visit was carried out by the promoters of the Ministry of Health, PAG staff, and AIN-C monitors for the control of children's weight.
Es muy importante porque ustedes en el control del peso del niño pueden detectar cualquier enfermedad o el crecimiento del niño, ¿verdad? O la talla también. Que ahí van viendo ustedes cómo va creciendo cada mes un niño y el peso que van obteniendo también.
CHAM's focus is on the reduction of maternal and infant mortality by educating pregnant mothers on how to take care of themselves and their babies, and by promoting monthly growth monitoring meetings at which children 0 to 2 years of age are weighed and measured to monitor their development.
Trabajamos bien con las madres de la AIN-C. Tenemos buena coordinación con lo que es el centro de salud. El DEA Global nos tiene un botiquín aquí en la comunidad. La comunidad se entiende, la monitora está por parte de voluntaria también. Ella además es partera, ella se entiende en el botiquín, ella atiende a todos los niños enfermos de neumonía, diarreas y cualquier enfermedad que haya medicamento, ella lo soluciona y si no, pues ella los refiere o si no yo como monitora también porque yo manejo las tarjetas de referencia y gracias a Dios pues hasta ahorita aquí por muertes infantiles no tenemos ahorita nada de reportes.
In addition to the control of height and weight, training was given on the care and cleaning of teeth to mothers of AIN-C, and children over 3 years of age were cared for cavity control, oral cleaning, and fluoride application. New houses are seen in the communities, and many homes have also been improved. With government funding, PAG is improving the living conditions of thousands of families living in poverty in different areas of the national territory by building healthy housing projects. In coordination with the Secretary of Development and Social Inclusion, PAG works in 150 municipalities of 16 counties, where 13,345 families have been directly benefited. PAG is improving the lives of Hondurans living in extreme poverty through high-quality housing projects. Construction of concrete floors, wash tanks, latrines, showers, and roofs are being built for underprivileged families living in poor conditions.
Pues nosotros nos sentimos bien contentos y agradecidos porque a como vivíamos antes, porque a raíz de la llena nosotros perdimos todos y ahora que tenemos esta vivienda nosotros estamos bien contentos.
Adalberto Flores lives in the neighborhood Vida Mejor, municipality of Cihuatepeque. PAG is characterized by building a better house, and that is why Ceres and community families are so satisfied with the finished houses. It also has a grocery store that helps him to get the income, which includes the sale of eggs at a lower price because it is beneficiary of the Minor Species Project of Vida Mejor. Adalberto has a barn of 14 hens and a rooster that provides the eggs for his business.
Es correcto. Nosotros así hacemos con los huevitos de las gallinas, los ponemos en la pulpería y ahí los vendemos a la gente, a las personas que vienen a comprar.
That is why, with financial support from the central government, PAG seeks to improve the food insecurity of families living in poverty. PAG's Small Animal and Micro Business Program provides families with training on how to manage their own chicken, pig, or fish project. This includes training on constructing the proper infrastructure, growing homemade feed for the animals, applying the correct medications and vitamins to the animals, as well as trainings on marketing so the families are able to commercialize their products. PAG's Progresse Microcredit Loan Program works towards improving income and living conditions of the program's beneficiaries by giving them opportunities to develop small businesses through flexible loan rates.
Acá tenemos unas máquinas de coser que fueron patrocinadas a través del proyecto Aldea Global, que a través de eso recibimos un taller de corte y confección patrocinado por el INFOP. Debido a eso nosotros estamos organizando una microempresa para confeccionar lo que es faldas, blusas, pantalones y algo otras cosas.
The number of clients has grown consistently. In 2017, Progresse had 2,800 clients, representing a 12% growth from 2016. PAG is benefiting 111 family producers with drip irrigation systems on 242 acres of land. In 2016, the Integrated Irrigation System program was started to improve competitive horticulture production through drip irrigation systems, technical assistance, and financial strengthening. 767,000 pounds of sweet potatoes and oriental vegetables were harvested and exported.
Pues la verdad que un montón de beneficios porque se adquieren créditos por medio de ellos, mercado para la fruta que se cosecha, entonces hay bastantes beneficios, el sistema de riego, un montón de cosas que por medio de ellos uno las ha logrado, la asistencia técnica.
To implement this program, PAG received financial support from the Japanese program through the Secretary of Agriculture and Livestock of Honduras. PAG has the privilege and duty of protecting the Miamber Blue Mountain National Park. Since 1992, PAG has worked to protect the natural resources in the core wildlife area. PAG generates sustainable income to cover park protection services from La Naturaleza Restaurant and Hotel and the Panacam Lodge and Restaurant, which were created for that purpose.
Entonces el recurso agua, como en cualquier bosque nublado del país, los famosos 37 bosques nublados, es también el elemento importantísimo y sobre el cual la Aldea Global hace énfasis bastante. Y es lógico, el agua proviene y deriva de que hay una buena cobertura de bosque en el parque y al mantener esa cobertura de bosque en el parque también aprovechamos a conservar la diversidad biológica que existe en el parque.
As an additional service, Panacam Lodge has 2 birdwatching towers that provide our guests with the opportunity to observe and enjoy the wildlife and natural beauty around them. La Naturaleza Tourist Center is a place you can visit. There is a new hotel with a view of Yohoa Lake, a pool, a museum of natural history, and a butterfly house located at the La Naturaleza restaurant. PAG has worked for more than 40 years in development and thousands of families have benefited. Many have changed their destiny and have reached a higher level of family life. What we see now is only a foretaste of what is to come. PAG shows their commitment to the most needy. The love of God is in their actions, and the children are the promise for a better future. That's why PAG educates them by teaching the original plan of the kingdom of God. PAG empowers families to reduce poverty and to build just, peaceful, and productive communities based on Christian values.